Hello fellow YouTubers, I've got here this battery charger. I got it a while ago from a second-hand market. I liked it because it was fairly big and it's from a good brand. It's one from Bosch. It works, but it got some problems. Needs a new cord, and there's a wire. You can see that it's cut also, so that's gonna be renewed. And these wires are to the battery, of course, but these are a little bit short and they're on the back side, and I don't like that. I want them to come out over here, so I have them on the front. I've taken the liberty of taking the screws out. I needed some parts. I've got some parts ordered. As you can see, something is burned here. There was a capacitor way down there, and that is burned out. That was I'll show you later how burned out that was. So there's a new capacitor coming on there, and there's also a capacitor over there, and there's going to be a new one as well. So as you can see, it's fairly large transformer, and that's what I liked about it. It's heavy duty, and it will never stop working once I've got it running again. And as you can see, there are wires from the mains that are going straight for the switches, and I want to solve that. I want to make a fuse between that, so that's fused as well. So that's what the plan is with this thing. And oh yeah, there's one thing I want to do. There's another YouTuber, and he calls this, it's a full bridge rectifier, he calls it. But see if I can remember his name, but not so fast. He's fairly known on the YouTube channels, and he knows a lot about electronics. I will mention his name in the next video. I can't come to it now, so well, this is gonna be my little project. I want it done so I can use it again, and just it's a great piece of equipment. It all clicks and it does, very sturdy, and it's not some piece of I don't know if I'm going to say it anyway, a piece of shit that you buy new in the store today. So this is what I'm going to repair, because in very short time I'm going to have another tractor over here to overhaul the wiring from. It will be a vent, and I will show you that. But when the battery is empty, I want to charge it again, and I wanted to do it safely, so I don't have to worry about my kids running around these cords and that things. And I want this a little bit longer, so I can have this on the bench and the battery on the tractor, and the leads are long enough for that. So this is my project. See you on the next video about this, and I hope you like the series.